my flat brush? Where's my flat brush? Oh shit. Welcome back to my channel. It's Kesena here and I'm back with another video. In case you are new to my channel, my name is Kesena, a Nigerian based YouTuber, and my content is solely based on beauty, lifestyle and DIYs. In case those are the things you're really interested in, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. So let's get into today's video. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a 10-minute makeup challenge. Yes, I am going to be doing a 10-minute makeup challenge, and I thought I should do this because I feel it's therapeutic.
Therapeutic.
I don't know, I just felt like I should do it because and I hope you guys will like it. So yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the 10-minute makeup challenge. It's going to be a full glam. I am not going to do any naturalista or any no makeup look. I'm just going to do everything from the foundation to the eyeshadows to the mascara to the lashes, the lipstick, everything under 10 minutes. That is insane. I wish I can do this. I am so scared. I really hope I do it. Oh my god. Okay, so I am going to put the timer. God, I'm scared. No, my heart is actually paining me. I'm going to put the timer in the little dialogue there so you can see the time. So I'm going to start in Jesus. What am I doing first? Okay. I am shaking. But anyway, let's start. In 5, 4, 3. I'm scared. Oh my god, I am scared. Okay, I'm ready. Why is I want 3? Oh my god. Alright, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to moisturize my face. Oh my god. Then if you see me doing jagla, please don't be angry. I am just trying to be fast. Normally I would have applied this primer with a brush, but no time, guys. Okay, priming my face. Next thing, foundation. I'm using classic HD. Jesus, wow. I'm using a classic HD foundation. Oh god. Wait, I'm so sad now. Using a classic HD foundation, and I'm going to be blending that with my foundation brush. Hello. Okay, this is faster. Ooh, I learned the technique. Circular motion. Jeez, 8 minutes 45 seconds left. Are you serious? Oh god, who sent me? Who sent me? I should have just done my makeup instead of doing all this one. Yes, you can do this when you are trying to rush and you are trying to like be there, and if you have a boo, your boo is like, honey, hurry up. I think I'm going to stop talking so I can focus. Oh my god, my eyes are paining me. Next thing, foundation. No, concealer. Yes, concealer. Where's oh shit, where's my I can't find my puff. Oh shit. Okay. Oh my god, if this thing comes out nice, I thank god. If it does not come out like that, means I cannot do makeup. Jesus. Hey, whoa. I'm going to use I can't find my puff. My puff. I can't find it. So I'm going to use my brush. And this thing dries quickly, so I have to like really be fast. Hey, which kind of thing? I'll let me know come and do nonsense on my face. You guys see me? I'm not even checking if you guys are seeing me. My hand. 6 minutes. Oh, why did I agree to do this? I don't want to lose. Okay. Setting powder. I am going to arrange all these things when I come back, honestly. Setting powder. I don't touch this. Ooh. Contour. 6 minutes. Hey, my God. I'm going to use a different brush for the mold. Okay, what next? Blush. Yeah, blush. My blush. Damn. My God. It is God. So my blush. 5 minutes. I'm dead. Next thing of oh thank God this is sharpened. Rose. I'm going to mad. Go for me. I can't find out. I'm going to use toothbrush, you guys. You should not come at me in the comment like, why did I use toothbrush? I cannot find my brush. I use to brush my eyebrows. So. Can I meet up? It's 4 minutes. Shit. And I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to my brows. Oh. Concealer. Come out, you thing. Where is it? Okay. Oh my God. I shouldn't have done this. I don't have time. I want to give up. No, I'm not giving up. I can do this. I got this. Got this, man. I got it. Eyeshadows. Just going to go with brown. Ooh, brown. Where are you? 3 minutes. I'm touching 3 colors at the same time. Oh. Can you guys see this? I might try it. I think I'm trying. No, it's almost time to. I'm done my brows already. This is nonsense brows. Where's my flat brush? Oh shit! Where the hell now? This is the only day's makeup. Line. Can I line my head? 2 minutes. I'm done. I'm not done. You guys know I love lip gloss, so I'm going to do just lip gloss. This is awful. Order. Hey, brother. Chineke, brother. Where my brush? Oh! 30 seconds, you guys. Seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh my god. So this is the result of 10 minutes makeup. I can't meet up at all. I'm so sad that I don't make up. So I'm just going to finish this up and come back, you guys. So my eyebrows are nonsense. Can you see my eyebrows? They look at my lashes. Are you see? Without the lashes, it actually came out nice. You guys should rate it. What do you think? On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think about this look I did in 10 minutes? Don't they look glamorous? Glamorous. I'm going to just finish this up, you guys. You guys are going to see me finishing it up. I can't feel my heart. My heart cannot feel it, buddy. Don't try this at home. Honestly, you have blood pressure. My body is just doing me. How this is? Look at my hair. So yeah, that is the end of this video. This video is going to be really short. It's going to be short. I think it's not going to be short, but it's kind of short. I don't know. But that is the end of this video, you guys. That is all I am doing. Let me just brush my hair. Let me look presentable. I don't want to look like a house girl. I don't want to look So yeah, that is the end of this video, you guys. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and say yes, I like the video. And if you like this look, give me a comment. Let me see. Oh yeah, you tried. Oh my god, you tried. Oh, how you feel? Kilo Shelley, what was that? What did you do on your face? I did it in 10 minutes. That's why it's looking like this. But I think I tried. Except for this eyelash situation that we had here, I think I tried. Honestly, I feel I tried. So yeah, you guys, that is all for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you like challenges like this and if you want me to be doing more challenges like this. I'll definitely check that out and I'll definitely do it if you guys want it. Then also feel free to share my video, you guys. I would really appreciate it so much, please. I'm also very grateful for the love you guys gave me on my last video. Thank you. God will bless you. Okay, Yeah, so yeah, that's all for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much, and bye.